So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can delete or unsave a chat from your Snapchat conversations list. So for that purpose, you have to first of all open the Snapchat and go to your conversations list, and next you gotta open the conversation that you want to unsave or delete the chat. For example, let me first of all save this thing in the conversation of us, and after that let me open this, and here you can see that this snap has been saved in my conversation. And for unsaving or deleting it, you gotta just tap and hold on the snap, and after that you get the option here unsave in chat. So you simply have to tap unsave the chat, and now this chat has been unsaved. And if I save it again, and after that you gotta tap and hold on it and simply tap on unsave in chat. So that's how you do it. For example, if I go back, open another conversation and send a message hi, and if I tap and hold on it, save in the chat, and after that if I tap and hold again on it, simply tap on unsaved in chat, and this thing will be unsaved. And when you unsaved it, it will be deleted automatically from this chat within 24 hours. So that's how you do it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.